Almost every Chinese knows an Italian name, Marco Polo. The bond between China and Italy can be traced back 7 centuries ago to the Venetian merchant and explorer and his trailblazing journey to China along the Asian Silk Road. But not many people know that Marco Polo, who lived in China for about 17 years, was appointed as a local official during the Yuan dynasty in Yangzhou, a large commercial hub in East China's Jiangsu province. Now, I'm just in the city of Yangzhou, and behind me is the Marco Polo Memorial Hall in China. I know that it has been renovated recently, so let's just go inside and explore the lasting legacy of Marco Polo. Yangzhou residents has a strong impression of Marco Polo. The Memorial Hall stands in the downtown area of the city, and it showcases Marco Polo's adventure to the mysterious Oriental land and his 3-year political career in Yangzhou. The Memorial Hall reflects the significance of the Italians' travels in terms of cultural, economic, and religious exchange. In 2010, Yangzhou began construction of the Memorial Hall to showcase the friendship and cultural exchange between China and Italy and preserve Marco Polo's enduring legacy in the city. Last year, Yangzhou and the Consulate General of Italy in Shanghai jointly started a project to upgrade the facility of the Memorial Hall. The upgrading project was completed through cooperation between China and Italy. Many Chinese experts and Italian institutions were involved in the project. So what are the features of this Memorial Hall?
我们这个展览展厅面积大概在500平方米。我们扬州是运河城市，马可波罗一行从泉州出发，经海上丝绸之路，离开中国回到故乡威尼斯，走的是海路。所以，设计上外立面用波浪的形式来突出运河和海洋这2个元素。我们用多媒体、场景制造以及专家访谈这样的形式来增加参观的一个趣味性、互动性。
The Memorial Hall shows many scenes of Marco Polo's life in Yangzhou. For example, there is a display that reproduces the ancient bustling Dongguan period of the city with advanced technologies. The Memorial Hall has also added some new historical facts and cultural relics on Marco Polo. Several Italian institutions have donated a number of important historical exhibits to the Memorial Hall recently, including the copy of Marco Polo's will.
和家人来到马可波罗纪念馆，在纪念馆中，我们看到马可波罗在中国很多的足迹。马可波罗作为意大利人，我们感受到了中西化文化的交流。生活在扬州，我们感受到了开放包容，也挺自豪。
China and Italy are both Asian civilizations and have a long tradition of friendship and exchanges. Marco Polo's famous travelogue has served as a cultural bridge between the East and the West. And I believe more and more people would like to follow in the footsteps of Marco Polo to encourage cultural exchange and enhance mutual understanding.